On the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, your lock screen shows the wallpaper, clock style, widgets, shortcuts, and the Now bar by default. In this video, I'll show you how to fully customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Let's go step by step. At the end, I'll show a bonus trick that will be helpful if you lose your phone. First, lock your Samsung device and press the side button once. Now press and hold on the lock screen and unlock your phone. You'll enter the lock screen settings, where you can customize everything. Change lock screen wallpaper. Tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. You can choose from featured wallpaper, gallery photos, AI-generated wallpapers, graphic or dynamic wallpapers, wallpaper services. Select the wallpaper you want. At the bottom, you can see different wallpaper suggestions, frames, effects, etc. Latest features is Apply Wallpaper Effects. In One UI 8.5, you also get new weather and depth effects. Tap the weather option. You can apply effects like snow, rain, fog. These can also change automatically based on your local weather. Change clock style. Tap the clock on the lock screen. You'll see different clock styles, clock fonts, and clock colors available. Select the style you like. You can also choose the adaptive clock, which automatically adjusts based on your wallpaper. You can change clock color, font style, size, boldness. You can also enable or disable date and weather information above the clock. Add lock screen widgets. Tap the widgets area below the clock. Here you can add widgets like weather, calendar, battery, Samsung Health, reminders. Tap the widget you want, and it will appear on your lock screen. Change app shortcuts. At the bottom, you'll see the left and right shortcuts. Tap either one. Choose any app you want, like camera, flashlight, phone, or any other app. Now you can launch that app directly from the lock screen. After making all your changes, tap Done in the top right corner. You can also add your message or number on the lock screen, so if you lose your phone, that person can contact you using your lock screen details. Make sure to add your lock screen information. To add info to the lock screen, go to Settings, tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Contact Information. Add your message or number and tap Done. Lock your S26 device and view the message at the bottom of the screen. Your customized lock screen will now be applied to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. So this is how you can fully customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. That's it!